All right. Let's talk about superheroes.
What do you want to talk about?
Who's your favorite superhero?
My favorite?
Yep.
It's going to be Thor.
You like Thor?
I do.
Why do you like Thor?
Because he has that big hammer.
Yes.
I like him
Okay.
a bunch.
Well, who's your least favorite? Who do you not like?
I do not like the penguin.
You don't like the penguin?
Yeah.
He is a little creepy.
Yeah, he is. He's not even a superhero because he's a bad guy. That's why I don't like him.
Yeah, he is a bad guy.
We're talking about good guys and bad guys here.
Okay. Let's see. What about the Hulk? Do you like the Hulk?
Yeah, especially if he's the normal Hulk, and especially if he has a good day.
If he has a good day.
Yeah, because sometimes they have a bad day.
Yeah, that's right. He does.
Sometimes.
What about Catwoman?
She's not even a good guy.
She a bad guy?
She is.
Okay. What about Wonder Woman?
She is.
You like her?
I do.
Does she have what does she have with her?
Invisible, the lasso of truth.
Lasso of Truth and an invisible what?
Jet.
Very good. Let's see. Who else can we talk about?
Batman.
What about Batman?
Batman has a bat boomerang.
A bat what?
Boomerang.
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 Oh, okay. He has a Batmobile too.
Batmobile and bat boomerang.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, in a bat cave.
And a bat cave.
In a bat boat.
And a bat boat. He has everything, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite Avenger?
Avenger is going to be Spider-Man.
You like Spider-Man?
He means Thor because he's an Avenger.
Oh, Thor.
He's in the book.
Yeah. All right.
Let's talk
Well,
about-
let's talk about one more, okay?
What about Spider-Man?
Why do you like Spider-Man?
Because he shoots webs
Shoots webs. How does
Yeah.
he shoot webs?
out of his hands.
Oh.
Like this.
Oh, okay. Wow. All right. Well, who's your favorite girl?
Girl, I already told you, Wonder Woman.
Oh, you like Wonder Woman? Okay. Well, let's see. Who's your favorite villain or bad guy? You like the Joker?
Yeah. He's Batman. He's Batman's bad guy.
Yeah. Yeah, most of the bad guys are Batman's bad guys, aren't they?
Not like Lex Luthor.
Oh, Lex Luthor. I forgot about Lex Luthor. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for my superhero lesson today.
Hey, wait. You forgot Superman.
Oh, Superman. All right. Say bye.
Bye.